Espar has released a new version of its popular air heater for vans. This is the S3D2L, and it's available in both gas and diesel. And this unit has some key improvements over the previous generation. The unit is available in both 2 kilowatt and 4 kilowatt versions. You can get it in gas or diesel, and you can also order it with 12 or 24 volt power supply. We have a link in the description to the product literature, so download the PDF if you want to find out which version is right for your build. This here is the S3D2L, which means it is the 2 kilowatt version, and it is the diesel version as well. And this is the most popular unit for sprinters. So let's talk about the 3 key improvements of the new S3 heater. Number 1, it now works up to 13,000 feet, and the 4 kilowatt version actually goes all the way up to 18,000 feet. So if you have visions of taking your van to very high places, then you're going to be able to keep it warm with the new S3 heater. Number 2, the flame tube has been improved. So now as air passes through the heater, it runs even more efficiently. And let me tell you guys, if you haven't used one of these heaters, they are extremely efficient. They draw less than 2 amps of power when they're running, and they hardly sip any fuel at all. Even if you have them on all night long, you probably won't even notice how much fuel you used in your tank. Number 3, the glow pin screen has been removed from the design, which has eliminated some of the maintenance in this already very reliable workhorse. You'll notice the new graphics on the housing of the heater with the little triangles on it. This tells you that you're getting a genuine Eberspacher S2. A word of caution to you guys, there are cheap knockoffs of diesel heaters available on Amazon, but this is one place where you do not want to cut costs in your van build, primarily for 2 reasons. You don't want to start a fire in your van, and if you have poorly designed equipment, the chance of that goes up. And secondly, you don't want to get caught out in the cold when you were expecting to have heat in your van. This is one component where engineering really matters. When you buy the unit through Vanland, here's what we're going to give you. You're going to get the newest version of the unit. It's the genuine Eberspacher S3, and it comes with the full install kit for the Sprinter, so you have all the parts that you need to get it installed. We also have a step-by-step instructional video. It's almost 2 hours long, and it takes you through the entire process and goes over every part of the process in detail so that you can get the heater installed right the first time, even if it is your first time. Number 3, if you for some reason can't get the heater installed properly, we do offer installation support, so give us a call. If you get caught up on something, we can walk you through that specific step. And for all of our YouTube subscribers, we have a special discount right now. There's a discount code in the description, so go down there, put the code in when you're checking out on the website, and you're going to save some money off of this unit just from watching the video. You'll also get your full warranty directly through us. So if something does happen to go wrong while you have your unit, you can just call us. We'll help you troubleshoot, and we can also give you a replacement part if that's what is deemed that you need. Finally, we made beanies. These are super soft and comfortable. So while we still have these on the shelf, if you order an Espar unit, we'll give you a beanie for free. So get your Espar installed, get your beanie on, and get out there.